Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Razor Edge NXT, a powerful CRM designed specifically for nonprofits to manage donors, campaigns, and fundraising efforts efficiently in 2025. If you're new to this platform, I'll guide you through the basics so you can get started smoothly. First, log into your Razor's Edge NXT account. The dashboard gives you an overview of your fundraising goals, recent donation, and upcoming events. One of the core features is managing your contacts. You can easily add, search, or segment donors and supporters for targeted outreach. Creating and managing campaign is straightforward. You can set up a donation appeals, track response, and monitor progress, all within a one platform. Plus, Radar's Edge NXT lets you automate thank you email and reminders, saving you time and improving donor engagement. The system also provides a detailed reports and analytics, so you can measure fundraising success, analyze donor behavior, and plan to future straits with confidence. With Radar's Edge NXT, your nonprofit can stay organized, boost fundraising efforts, and build stronger relationships with supporters, all in one place. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to get started with a Radar's Edge NXT, be sure to like this video, drop your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more nonprofit tech guides. Catch you in the next video.